It's August 14, 2022. We are at Narsaq Sound. If you're lucky, you might hear thunder in the background. That's icebergs breaking apart and the seagulls go crazy. But came down to the beach and found this here. Most of the rock around here is this stuff. It's very plagioclase rich, coarse crystalline, very similar to what's in town in Narsaq. Could be the same dike complex, I don't know. This obviously is not like that. This resembles more the intrusive later sheet dikes, thinner ones that we saw at Silicet a little further to the northeast in the Eriks Fjord formation. It looks a lot the same. You see this dark mafic rock, you see little plagioclase snowflake phenocrysts in it. It's not ultra mafic, this is mafic. But there's something else cool here too. You might be tempted to think this thing runs that way. That's basically north behind me, but it doesn't. You look here, and what you see is you see this rock and this rock, okay? This rock looks a lot like this rock, this breaking apart, weathering stuff, that plagioclase phenocryst stuff. The only difference is it weathers better. You look at it, it doesn't look like these are xenoliths of any sort, although, you know, it could be possible. But you look at it, you see it kind of just terminates here. You look down here and you can see it clear as day. The contact between the mafic and this plagioclase rich gabbro type rock, if that's what it is. See the contact's right here. So the trend of this thing is this way. We are looking along, or I'm looking along strike right now. Dip is slightly, so nearly vertical for all intents and purposes, but slightly that way. And you can see the bake zone in here between the mafic dike and the host rock, which is kind of cool. And I don't know how long this is going to be preserved. My guess is probably not too much longer. But yeah, but you over here, and this rock looks a lot like a little finer version of this. Like, I mean, these could be xenoliths. I don't know for sure. I don't have a real good example. You get a lot of slough and stuff, but in some of these plagioclase rich rocks, you see massive quartz crystals here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but so it has some of those in them too. So I don't really know. I don't know what to call it, because you see this, and you see this weak stuff, which comes to right about here, and it just kind of grades into this other rock in some places, and other places contact looks sharp. I don't know. So I'm just going to count that as one unit, but I know for sure this mafic dike goes this way and came up through here. So that much I can tell you.